Hello and welcome back. I am Jeff.
And I'm Montgomery.
And this is Experimental Perception. Now I understand you have a request.
I want to see fire, but in slow motion.
Fire in slow motion. I got it.
That sucked.
But you haven't seen it in slow motion yet.
All
It
right.
looks better in slow motion.
All right, let's see it in slow motion.
All right, check it out. All right, you ready?
All right, let's see it.
Wow you, huh?
Wow me.
I love the little sparkles.
Wow, that's so cool. I didn't know that it would go up in the smoke like that.
And then the flame kind of...
Yeah, I think that's really cool. And then the whole flame that we normally see takes over.
That's pretty cool. All right, so what'd you think? It was pretty cool?
Yeah, it was really cool. I liked the way it sparked and then the way the smoke went up before you see the flame.
Well, there you go. Flames in slow motion. Thanks for watching.
Hold up. Bigger.
Bigger. Bigger?
Bigger.
All right, be right back. All right, now you wanted bigger.
Let's see it.
You might want to stand back for this one.
Oh, okay.
Now don't try this at home.
Whoa.
Let's check it on the high speed. All right, here it goes. It's just a big fireball just hovering there.
And it's just getting bigger.
Oh, I like these tiny little whips of flame at the top and sides breaking off. That's kind of cool. That is so awesome. All right, so what did you think of that fire? That was bigger and in slow motion.
It was bigger, and I thought it was really cool. It got so much bigger than I expected it to be.
Excellent. I am so glad you like that.
Hold up. It was bigger, but can we make it better?
Better.
More exciting.
More exciting.
Boom.
I think I've got just the thing. Be right back. All right, you wanted bigger.
But is it better?
Oh, it's better. This is coffee creamer. It is going to make a huge fireball.
There's no way.
Oh yeah. Step back a little bit and don't try this at home.
Whoa.
Let's check that out on the high speed. I had a little trouble getting it started, but there it goes.
It didn't seem like it was going to be pretty big at first.
I know, once it got up to right about chest height, but once it got started, it just took off.
It took off quickly.
It did, it escalated very quickly.
It's as big as you are.
I know. You can't even see my arm. That thing is huge. That was pretty awesome.
Wow.
So, you wanted bigger and you wanted better. What'd you think?
That was so cool. It went from the floor to the ceiling within seconds, and it was only coffee creamer.
I know, and I didn't even lose an eyebrow. So, happy now?
I am thrilled. That was so much more than I expected. It was bigger, it was better, and it was so exciting.
All right, request fulfilled. Please like and subscribe, ring that bell below, and we'll see you next time. La 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 la.
No. Woo! Woo! That's what you gotta do. That's what we did in acting class. Okay. See, you didn't do it. You didn't do it.
All right, one more time. I had the lighter in my hand. I don't want to have it in my hand. Oh, it's like I was ready. I'm just waiting.
You're like, I'm so excited.
Hello and welcome back. I'm Jeff.
And I'm Montgomery.
And this is Experimental Perception. And I understand you have a
Wah, wah.
Wah, wah.
Hi, I'm Jeff, and this is Experimental Perception. Because someone can get it out.
I know. That was pretty good.
That warmed me up a little bit.
Yeah, that one was.
Hopefully that looked. Can you hit the stop on the record, monkey?